Here I have HTC Desire and 116, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, tap on this icon here to access these quick buttons, and here you can enable or disable Do Not Disturb. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a timer for this Do Not Disturb, so how long it will take before it turns off automatically. Here you can add exceptions to this mode, you can add some people to it from contacts. You can enable alarm and timer, always play alarm and timer sounds even when Do Not Disturb is on. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode, so basically you select start time, end time, on which days it will repeat and stuff. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.